This is Raju. He just heard that the stock market makes you rich, so he decides to jump in. He opens an app and creates a trading account. He proudly buys his first share, Tata Motors. But the next day, his account looks empty. Where did the shares go? Confused, Raju calls Bunty Bhaiya for help. Bunty laughs and says, "Tu locker bhool gaya, genius." Raju has no clue what that means. Locker? He asks. Bunty smiles and explains, "Let me break it down for you like chai and biscuits. To invest in stocks, you need two things, a trading account and a Demat account. Think of the trading account as your kirana shop. It's where you buy and sell. But do you carry all your groceries in hand forever? No, you store them at home. That home is your Demat account. The trading account lets you place orders. The Demat account stores what you bought. It's like buying a car but never getting the documents. Without a Demat account, the shares aren't really yours." Raju realizes he only did half the job. To invest properly, you need both accounts. When you buy shares, they go from the seller through your trading platform and land in your Demat vault. When you sell, the process reverses. Raju finally gets it. He asks, "Can both accounts be on one app?" Bunty replies, "Yes, but they are still two different things. Think of it like a bank locker. You need two keys. Let's compare them quickly. The trading account helps you buy and sell shares. It connects you to the stock exchange. The Demat account holds your shares, like a digital locker. Raju asks, "What if I only open a Demat?" Bunty says, "You can't buy anything. And if I only open a trading account, then you'll never receive what you bought." Now Raju opens both accounts like a smart investor. He buys shares and they land safely in his Demat. Finally, he sees his money working for him. Bunty claps. "Good job, Raju." So remember, Demat is where your shares live. Trading is how they move. Don't forget, you need both to invest smartly.